Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars Speedforce riding shoes. The Speedforce riding shoes retail for $219.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's start off with sizing. This pair of shoes is a size 12 US. I wear a 12 US in most common shoes or boots out there. I got a good, comfortable fit. Extremely comfortable fit. This is a pretty unique design. It uses a new material that we first were exposed to when we reviewed one of the all-new race suits from Alpinestars, the Fusion suit. This is the matrix material. It's this stuff right in here, right? It's a very tightly woven, tear-resistant, abrasion-resistant mesh panel, right? It's a new synthetic material that Alpinestars is blending into their riding gear. It flows air freely. We've got a nice perforated panel here on the outside of both shoes as well. Slip sock design. You kind of grab these two poles here, slide your foot in, and then lace it up to secure it. I just want to talk about comfort once again. You get these things on, they feel epic. You walk around in them, they feel equally epic. This is the kind of riding shoe that if you're going places where you're going to walk around quite a bit, this is going to really make your feet super happy, right? Protection. You have ankle impact protection, both inside and outside. There is some reinforcement here to the heel cup, reinforcement up here in the toe box, and of course there is a crush-proof sole. It's a riding shoe. You see we have a pretty aggressive sole design here too. With that said, this is not as protective as, say, like a race boot, or you get some of the other riding shoes that they have where it's kind of like the top half of the race boot's been cut off and you still have all these big molded pieces, right, to protect you from impact and abrasion. This still has a solid measure of protection, but it leans heavily towards the comfort. So if you're looking for a short riding shoe that ventilates really well, because so many of the riding shoes too are waterproof. With waterproof, even when it's breathable, you wear them for long periods of time, they can get a little bit to the clammy side. This one's not going to do that. This one is just going to ventilate and make your feet feel amazing, right? You do sacrifice a little bit of protection, but one of the key elements when we come to riding shoes or motorcycle footwear, it's going to be the sole design. You need to have a crush-proof sole where you can't just fold it up like that, right? You fall off the bike could possibly land on the side of your foot like so, wedge it between the pavement, and the last thing you want to do is break your foot in that manner. So that is one of the key elements of any piece of riding footwear is going to be that reinforced sole. Comfort, 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 ventilation, ventilation, stylish, good looks, very aggressive sole, awesome to walk in. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.